I want to share with you a profound message that can bring great comfort and solace during difficult times. It's all about finding solace in God's love. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life's challenges? When you feel lost and alone, it's important to remember that there is someone who is always there for you, God. His love is unfailing, constant, and all-encompassing. He is a loving father figure, always ready to listen and offer comfort. In the Bible, we can read verses that reassure us of God's love and care for us. One such verse is Psalm 13,914, which says, "I will give you the comfort that your faith cannot be shaken." This verse reminds us that no matter how tough things get, our faith in God can remain steadfast. We can turn to Him for strength and guidance during these trying times. So when life throws you a curveball, or when you face tough times ahead, remember this message of comfort in God's love. Let it serve as a source of strength and reassurance that you are never alone, and that there is always hope ahead. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this message helpful or inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content like this one. Until next time, stay strong, and remember, you are never alone, because God is always with you.
Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all of our hearts, the concept of divine help in good times. First things first, it's important to remember that God isn't just there when things are going bad. He's with us every step of the way. Whether we're climbing mountains or wading through valleys, when life is good, it can be easy to forget about God. We might feel self-sufficient or independent, like we don't need anyone else to achieve our goals and dreams. But here's the thing, God is always there, cheering us on and helping us reach new heights in those sunny moments. It's essential to keep in mind that God isn't just a safety net for when things go south. He's an active participant in our lives, supporting us and guiding us towards success. It's crucial not to take His presence for granted, but to express our gratitude for His help and guidance in all aspects of our lives, both the good and the bad. Remember, God isn't just a plan B when we need a miracle or a crutch when we stumble. He's there with us every step of the way, cheering us on and helping us achieve our dreams and aspirations. So next time you find yourself in the midst of a sunshine day, don't forget to thank Him for His guidance and support. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found this discussion helpful and inspiring. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting and positive content. Stay blessed, everyone.